Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set Python path to environment variable. First, open the command prompt and check. Simply type Python. You can see Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. So to set a Python path, follow this step: advanced system settings, and here, and path edit, and okay. Yeah, right click, open in file location. Again, first copy it, new, paste it here, okay, and edit, new, okay, okay, select OK. Mm, you have to reopen your command prompt. So cmd. Now you can see that